and welcome back to my channel. I thought I would do a studio vlog this week. I was in two minds about uploading this video, but you lovely guys on Instagram twisted my arm and said I should share it, so here it is. If you don't know me, hi, my name is Cassie. I am a married mother of two and I create illustrations over at NubianRockChick on Instagram. So let me show you some of what I got up to this week. Working from home and having small children in school, as you can imagine, my days are quite repetitive. Naturally, the responsibility of keeping the house clean falls on me, and I like to do this first in the day because I feel it clears my mind, and I feel like I can't start the day unless I've tidied. But who knows, it could be that it's just another form of procrastination and I'm just avoiding starting to work. It may very well be that, who knows. So once I've done my tidying, I like to start my working morning off by checking my Trello. I also like to check if I've had any orders over the night, and I print out the packing slips for those. Today it's Monday, so I'm going to draw a Monday girl for my Instagram page. Recently I've been super busy, which is an amazing and fantastic reason to be busy because I've had so many orders in all the time. I haven't had as much time to draw. Although I can't spend a lot of time on illustrations as much as I'd like to, sometimes you just need to draw just so you can have that little bit of therapy. My working day is normally interrupted around 3 o'clock because I have to go and get the children from school. So then after school it's the normal feeding the children, then bothering me, asking me for so many things, but then I normally come and sit back at the computer for a couple more hours before dinner time. Okay, today is currently Tuesday and I'm working shipping all these out. It's taking me ages to pack these. These are the Patreon rewards that I'm going to be sending out, and I think I've got about 50 packages there. This is the aftermath of this, so you know, I showed you my office space and how tidy it was. Look how messy the space gets. So yeah, I'm just going to go and get my kids now. Today I've been doing things like normal housework stuff, putting washing loads on, and doing these packages. So now I have to go and get my kids. It's 3 o'clock, and in the UK it's about 3 o'clock to 3:30 is home time for the kids, so I'm just about to go and collect them. Yeah, I've been packing all my Patreon rewards for my lovely Patreons, and now I'm going to take them to the post office. It's 20 past 4 and I've collected the kids about an hour ago from school, and now we are going to go to the post office, and they're going to moan all the way in the back of the car because they hate going to the post office, but it's got to be done. So I'll see you later.
Can we go to Tesco to buy some stuff?
Nope. Okay guys, we're going to the post office. Oh, you're not excited, huh?
No.
What do you know? Is that a thumbs down?
Yes.
What do you know? A delivery. I'm pretty sure my delivery guy thinks I have some kind of shopping addiction because I get something like every day, and I'm sure that's not normal. But hold on, let me open this one sec. Okay, so I've just got it open. I've just got a delivery of my envelopes that I like to use to ship out to you guys. I do hope that you guys recycle these when I send them to you and maybe get another use out of it, or yeah, another use out of it to send someone else, because they're really good quality and the labels that I use don't stick down too much onto the surface. They're quite removable, so I do hope you reuse these, and I do hope you like the packing because I spent a long time looking for these and I love the matte finish. It looks high quality. Hello, Mama. Hi guys, it's Friday morning. I've just got back from doing a read with your kids at the school with both my children, and my arm is getting super tired. You need to work out to do this stuff. So what I'm going to do now is sit down and do my Friday girl. Then I'm probably going to finish up packing this week's orders, and oh my office is a mess, so I'm going to tidy that up. And oh my god guys, yesterday, I don't think I recorded anything yesterday, which was Thursday, there was a huge spider in my office, and I am shook. It's put me off kilter for the whole week now. I don't know what to do with myself. And on Sunday, I think I'm going to be doing a whole complete deep clean of this office to make sure that there's no more of those humongous spiders. When I say it was big, I mean it was big, and it was terrifying. So yeah, I don't even know if I can work in here. I think I'm going to move out. I don't know guys, but yeah, I'm going to go and do this illustration and then start packing orders. Bye. That's it guys, thanks for watching through my first proper vlog. If you made it to the end, thank you so much for watching. I do hope you enjoyed it. Let me know in the comments what you thought, and I will see you next time for another vlog hopefully. Bye!